Hey y'all, it's Dawn, and I'm so glad you're back. I've got another fun, budget-friendly DIY video for you today. Today is day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments playlist, hosted by Jackie from Crafting in Mimi's World and Melissa from Melissa Makes It DIY. You will find links to both of their channels along with today's playlist in the description. Who's ready to get on to the first Pinterest-inspired DIY? I used 4 20mm wood beads from my Amazon store, a silver jingle bell from Dollar Tree, and some jute twine. I placed the twine through the top of the jingle bell and pulled both ends of the twine together. I placed a piece of painter's tape on the twine so it would be easier to thread through the wood beads. I placed the 4 wood beads on the twine with the jingle bell. I left the beads the natural color, but you can paint them to match your Christmas decor. I removed the tape and tied a small knot at the top of the twine and trimmed it. And look at how cute this simple ornament is. For the next wood bead ornament, I painted a 20mm wood bead with folk art metallic gold paint. I placed another piece of tape on the end of a piece of jute twine and started stringing the beads. The pattern I used was 2 16mm beads, 1 18mm bead, the gold bead, another 18mm bead, and finally 2 more 16mm beads. I tied a small knot at the top of the ornament, leaving some twine so it could be hung. And it's so simple and cute. I found this little rusted snowflake in my stash and wanted to attach it to one of the beaded ornaments. Again, I used a piece of jute twine and wrapped tape around the end. I tied a small knot at the top and began stringing the beads onto the jute just like I did before. I used the same size beads as in the previous DIY and the same pattern. I then strung the rusty little star at the bottom and tied another small knot. This ornament looks so rustic. I think it's my favorite so far. I have several of these wood slices in my stash. I painted the first one with folk art imperial chalk paint. I didn't paint it entirely. I left a small area around the raw edge. I also painted one of the wood beads red to match the ornament. I used 3 of these little wood Christmas tree stickers I found in my stash. I think I got them last year at Dollar Tree, but I'm not positive. But I used them to decorate the front of the ornament. I simply took the paper off of the sticker on the back and stuck it to the wood. I strung a piece of jute twine through the hole at the top and then added a natural wood bead and the red painted bead to the twine and tied a knot. I painted this wood slice with Waverly Steel chalk paint, just like I did in the previous one. And again painted one of the beads to match. I used this bell from this chalk Couture transfer and some bright white paste on the front. Before removing the transfer, I also applied a layer of shimmer frost just to give it a little bit of a shimmer. I added a piece of twine, 2 natural beads, and the steel bead I had painted to the top of the ornament. I created a small bow using this gray and white buffalo plaid ribbon and hot glued it to the front of the wood slice. And just look at how adorable these 2 wood slice ornaments are. As I stated in the beginning, all of these ornaments were inspired by some posts I saw over on Pinterest. Let me know which one of these cute little ornaments are your favorite in the comments. If you found me through the playlist, I hope you'll consider becoming a part of our little family by hitting the subscribe button. If you are already part of the family, thank you so much for all your love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you have an idea for a craft that you'd like for me to do, just leave me a comment and let me know. I want to make sure I'm doing videos that you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see y'all next time. Happy crafting!